Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about how you can allow an unknown source app installation in your device POCO M4 Pro. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device you want to allow any unknown source app installation, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can download a unknown source app in your device. Let's watch it.